We're only going to use 4 ingredients: Greek yogurt, honey, fresh strawberries, and can't forget the granola. In a bowl, you're going to mix together your Greek yogurt. I always use honey vanilla. It's my personal favorite. It goes with everything. Then you're going to drizzle the honey just to sweeten it up a little bit. Don't forget to mix it together. Then you're going to take your fresh strawberries, slice them into small pieces. I made them a little bit too big. Should have made them smaller, but it's okay. It's still going to taste amazing. Then grab your muffin baking pan. Line each cup with a paper liner. Then you're going to take your sweetened Greek yogurt, place a spoonful in each one, filling them up all the way. One of my favorite memories growing up is always licking the spoon while my mom was baking. So of course I had to lick my own spoon. I don't know why I was having a hard time grabbing those strawberries, but add your strawberries. Add your granola. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure the strawberries and granola were kind of mixed in each cup. And then you're done. Now you just have to let it sit in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours and they'll be ready.